Today I'm unboxing the Boya V10, a compact, powerful microphone designed for creators who care about clean, professional sound. From the packaging to the mic itself, every detail feels premium, lightweight, and ready for work. Before we upgrade, this is how my audio sounds right now, recorded directly on my iPhone 15 without any external mic. And now you are listening through the Boya V10 microphone connected directly to my iPhone 15. Can you notice the instant difference? Richer, clearer, and full bodied. Now, with just one tap, the noise reduction mode cuts out the background distractions and leaves only pure focused sound. Now, let's check some ASMR moments. So, yeah, it's perfect for podcast voiceovers and those peaceful ASMR moments as well. The Boya V10. Small upgrade, big difference.